Like I said in the last video, today I am going to make bunny banana biscuits for Bunny Day. So we're gonna get started. So first we're going to pulverize our rabbit pellets. We need a 1/4 cup of rabbit pellets. This is the dry food. We're gonna put the oatmeal in, which is also a 1/4 cup of oatmeal. Just normal dried oatmeal. And I'm gonna screw the lid on. I have my blender over here. Boop. So I'm gonna hit the puree button. I think this is good. Okay, of our powder, and it smells a lot like bunny food. So next we're going to mash banana, and we need half of this banana. It doesn't really matter if it's brown or not, because it's getting mashed up, as long as it's not moldy. Half a banana. And I'll put this one to the side. I'm gonna peel this, I probably. So, going to put this in a bowl. We're gonna mash this banana with the back of a fork. Make sure if you like stuff like this, make sure to like and subscribe. And I need to empty out this powder, so we're gonna put this in the same bowl we have our banana in. And we're gonna put my half a cup of baby carrots, or one normal sized carrot. We just have baby carrots in here. And we're gonna blend these up. See in there, real good. Bloop. Make sure it's in there good. Well, that was quick. Let's see. That looks very interesting. So now we're gonna mix all this together. Now I'm just using the same fork I used to mash the banana. Mine is a little dry. The recipe says if it is dry, we can add some water. So I'm just gonna add a teensy bit. It should not be dry enough that it is crumbly. And it says it should not be wet enough that it sticks to your hands. So, molding consistency, about. It also says if you need to add a bit of water, you can, or you can add more of the pellet powder if it is too wet. I think I got mine about the right consistency. That kind of sticks together, but it doesn't get on my hands. I mean, it gets on my hands, but it doesn't really stick. Okay. So now we're going to roll our dough out on a clean surface. I'm just going to go ahead and put it straight on our pan. I'm just gonna knead it a bit, make sure it sticks together. I'm gonna add a teensy bit more water. Okay, that should be enough. Yeah. And there's our oven. I preheat it to 325 Fahrenheit. So I have this little flour cookie cutter that we're gonna cut this into little bitty flowers. And if you are going to make this, make sure that you're not feeding it to bunnies that are under 6 months old. It would be better if you waited to where it was 7 or 8 months. But if they have things like this before if they're too young and they have stuff like this, it can make them sick. So. Fruits and veggies, you wait till they're old enough. And you don't want to just feed them a bunch of these all the time. You only want to give them one a week about, because if you feed them too many, even if they are old enough, it can make them sick too. Okay. I have my little tray of biscuits, and I'm gonna wash my hands because they're very dirty. Alright, I have my tray, and we're going to put these in our oven that is preheated to 325 Fahrenheit for 20 minutes, and then we're going to turn the oven off and let them set in the oven for 30 more minutes. And take them out and let them cool, and then you can feed them to your bunny. So while we're waiting on those to cook, we're gonna step outside and meet my bunnies. So this is our first bunny. Well, not our first one, but we got this one. Her name is Varda, and she is still a baby, and she's my sister's bunny. And she is a little Holland Lop doe. And she is so sweet and tiny. Okay, you go back in. Bye-bye. Next, we're gonna go over to the bigger coop and see my three bunnies. So first we have my first mini Lop bunny that I ever got. And she is the sweetest thing, and she won me this fancy belt buckle. Her name is Sunny Bunny, and she is my little baby. I love her so much. And then we have my new mini Lop, Brownie. This one is a buck. Oh, come here, buddy. And he is a chunker. Say hi. He's so sweet too. And then we have my Buck Holland Lop, Pippin, and he is a stinker. Come here, buddy. Oh, you see him, and he's tiny. Alright. And those are my bunnies. So our treats are out of the oven and they are done. They're really cute. I'm gonna show you. Here's what they'll look like. So here is Sunny Bunny, and she is going to test our treats, and she's super happy. So, oh buddy, you look at it. No. Hey, I'm just gonna hold you for this. You sniff it. Look at it. There we go. He's a num-nums. He's looking for the crumbs. There you go, bunny. So thank you so much for watching. If you like this sort of stuff, be sure you like and subscribe and maybe even leave a comment. Sunny Bunny was happy to help. And thank you for watching.